So this is what comes in your 1 pound refillable cylinder refill kit. You have the 1 pound cylinder, the refill device, the Allen key, and the stand. You're now going to take your 20 pound cylinder and nest it inside the holder. Remember to never store your 20 pound cylinder indoors or in your garage. This should always be done outdoors. The next step is you're going to take the refill device and carefully screw it on to the 20 pound cylinder valve. So this way you'll always have it with the fill nozzle facing down. Always make sure to wear proper personal protection equipment such as the right gloves and goggles. Remove the black cap from the 1 pound refillable cylinder. You'll see there's a groove here by the relief valve. That is going to line up with a white stem that is part of the refill device. Make sure to line it up properly. Screw the refill device down. Make sure it's nice and snug. Take the Allen key and insert it into the bleeder screw hole. This will make sure you'll know when it reaches the 80% fill mark. Reach under the cylinder and open the cylinder valve, allowing the propane to flow. Open the bleeder screw just a small turn. Press down on the fill nozzle and the propane will start to flow. When you see the steady mist of propane starting to come from the bleeder hole, it means you reached the 80%. Release the valve, close the Allen key, shutting off the flow of propane. Reach under the cylinder and close the valve. That will stop all propane flowing from the 20 pound cylinder. Disconnect the 1 pound cylinder from the refill device. You now have a full 1 pound refillable cylinder. Disconnect the refill device. There's going to be the usual small residual release of propane. Put the cap back on. And you're now ready to take your 1 pound refillable cylinder to wherever you need to use it.